In this video, we will be showing you the positioning, ventilation space provided, and cleaning of the filter and condenser of all the stainless steel counter models. Position the refrigerator into the general area of installation. You will notice there are stickers on its side indicating the minimum required ventilation space. Use a measuring tape and leave a minimum of 150 mm of ventilation at the compressor side of the refrigerator. For optimal ventilation, you can additionally provide 150 mm at the back of the unit as well. Once the specified space is provided, lock both the front wheels of the unit to keep it in place. In the next section, we will be looking at cleaning of the filter and condenser. Open the utility door with the provided keys. Remove the filter by lifting it by its tab. This will expose the condenser behind it. Use a soft brush to clean the dust from the filter thoroughly, and then gently do the same on the condenser. Be careful not to bend the fins in the process. Next, use an air blower to clean the condenser and its surrounding area of ingrained dust and debris thoroughly. Finally, you can refit the filter to the front of the condenser, close the utility door and locking it. This maintenance and cleaning process must be scheduled and performed once per month. Proper and regular maintenance and upkeep will extend their lifespan and minimizes the risk of breakdowns and saves energy. Thank you for watching.